In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Airtable interface in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your account or simply removing an unnecessary interface, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth process. Let's dive in. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Airtable website. You can do this by entering airtable.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to access your account. Enter your login credentials, which should take you to your Airtable home. On the home page, you'll see various options and workspaces if you have multiple projects. Look for the specific base related to the interface you want to delete. Once you've identified it, click on that base to open it. Now that you're inside the base, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Interfaces. Clicking on this takes you to a list of all interfaces associated with that particular base. This is where all the magic happens. In this list, find the interface you no longer need. Next to it, or somewhere nearby, you should spot a small icon comprising 3 dots, usually referred to as the More Options or Kebab menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options that you can choose from. From this drop-down, select the Delete option. This action prompts a confirmation step, as deleting interfaces is irreversible, so double check that you're ready to proceed. The system might ask you to confirm your choice to ensure no accidental deletions occur. When you're certain, confirm your decision. After confirming the deletion, you should notice that the interface has been removed from the list, indicating a successful deletion. At this point, take a moment to review your base to make sure everything else looks as expected. And there you have it, a simple process for deleting an Airtable interface. Remember, taking the time to clean up unused interfaces can help optimize your workspace and make it easier to manage your projects efficiently. If you ever need to create a new interface, rest assured that it's just as easy to do so. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in Airtable.